Drunk at the ice and little white lies here. I played dumb but I always knew that you talked to her, maybe did even worse. I kept quiet so I could keep you. And ain't it funny how you ran to her the second that we got it quiz? And ain't it funny how you say you were friends, now you sure as hell don't look like it. You betrayed me, and I know that you'll never be sorry for the way I hurt, yeah. You torture her when we were together, love you at your worst, but that